Okay, guys, so we will start now. Thank you for joining Apurv and Gangadharan. So, may I know about your background, guys, so that I can customize my demo accordingly. So, what you guys are doing and what you already understood about our institute? Have you gone through some videos in our website?
Sir, I am a student, sir.
Oh, you are a student. Okay, great.
BTech. Currently, I just cleared 7 sem.
Oh, great. It's very good. You are starting very early. That's great.
Yes, sir.
How do you came to know about us, Apurv? Any?
I was just searching about CAD CAM and CI accordingly.
Okay,
So
okay.
I,
You came
I
across
found.
this. Great. Great. Gangadharan, what about you?
Sir, good morning, sir. Actually, I'm diploma in mechanical engineering, sir.
Okay.
So actually, I'm working near a company in Pioneer Industry, Bangalore,
Okay.
in mechanical draftsman, sir.
Okay.
So I have been working there around 3 years, sir.
Okay. Okay.
So, so I want to know the just I'm working AutoCAD, but I don't know exactly about this CAD CAM and this one customization and all.
Okay.
So
Okay.
I gone through your website and as well as YouTube.
Okay.
So to
Okay.
know about to use the AutoCAD effectively. That's why,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Great. Anyway, I'll tell you what it is. So, Gangadharan, you might have already seen the complete course overview video. I explained about
Yes,
the.
sir. Yeah, I seen one video. It's what is the effective use of this CAD customization?
Mhm.
I'm not in depth, sir. I'm know about
Okay.
in brief about that, sir.
Okay. Okay. Fine. All right. Let me share my screen. I'll try to show something. So you both are interested in doing which CAD tool customization? AutoCAD, NX, CATIA, Creo, or you don't have any idea where?
Sir, actually, at present I record for AutoCAD, sir.
Okay, okay,
Then in my company they are using for CAD. One is for AutoCAD, then is Inventor.
okay, okay, got
So
it.
I want to know both. In future, I can study for NX and CAT as well.
Okay, got it. And what about Apurv?
Sir, I wanted to know about AutoCAD and SolidWorks.
Okay, okay. All right. So for both of you, there is something one common that is AutoCAD and wait, let me see. I think somebody is joining. I think he's not having good internet connection. That is what I understand. Maybe through hotspot, he may be trying to connect. Okay. Oh. Hi Nilesh, good morning. Hope you
Yeah,
can hear
good morning.
me. Okay, we are just done introduction, and maybe you can give quickly what you are doing now. What are you looking for?
Yes, I'm a mechanical engineer.
Okay,
I'm doing job in CAD field in
okay,
CATIA V5. So I
okay,
have total 5 years of experience.
okay, okay. All right. So I'll tell you something. See, we have a lot of details in our website feesworth.com. I'll just tell that you, after this meeting also you can go through. But before that, I will give you all the informations, almost whatever you want. But when I look at it, at least I tell you what we are doing. So one is we are giving training. That is what your interest is at present. So that is mostly onto CAD customization. Then second is we are giving support. Suppose you already done the training, either from some other institute or yourself, you are working in a CAD customization project, and some project, you don't know and you need a support. So you can buy technical support for your CAD customization or any other software development also. You may be an individual or you may be a company where, you have some employees, you need a support for them. You hired some fresher and they are not able to complete. Okay, they are not able to meet the client expectation. But so you need a very specific support. In a project, 20% done, 50% done, but only, some portions they need support, you can take it. So that is technical support. Then we also recruit people and we supply to company, that's manpower. There are some people, they work on our payroll for our client. Our client we have in Europe, we have in UAE. Sometimes you connect to their system and you work on our payroll. We will be paying you, but you will be every day interacting with our client, and they will tell you what to do and you will work on that. We have office in Bangalore. There you can come, sit and work for our client. That is third. Or by any chance in your company, if you are looking for somebody trained people, you can also recruit people from our organization. We will supply. The fourth one is you can buy some plugin or add-in. Now we have developed, my students or my colleagues or my trainers, and we started this recently. Now we can make some useful plugins, and if at all your company, if it is directly useful to you, you can pay and buy that plugin. Or if you want specially for you to develop a new plugin, you can ask us, we can give the requirement in detail. We will develop and we will give you. Okay. So these are all something for services we are doing. And why should, now the interesting part is this CAD customization, automation or customization. You might have seen one Forbes article. Let me show you quickly. I received in WhatsApp. I think approximately some 20 million people or somebody, they are losing job because of this automation and customization. Okay, I'll forward later. Actually, I don't know where it is. But you can find a lot of news from very, very reputed organizations. Consultant, they tell that a lot of people are going to lose the job because of robots or because of, in general, any automations. And we are going to talk about particularly CAD automation or customization, or PLM automation customization, or BIM automation customization. Okay, and in particular for this case, in your 3 people, you are interested in CAD automation and customization. So why should you do? Because you will get a really very high salary. Means from CAD to CAD customization, at least a double, or starting itself at least a 50% hike. And after 1-2 years, definitely 2 to 3 times more than the design engineer. Let's say 10 years of experience, design engineer max they get 10 lakhs CTC. Very few people may get 15, but 8 lakhs, 10 lakhs, 12 lakhs will be their salary around 10 years of experience. But in CAD customization, in 4 years, you will get around 15, 16, 20. 4 to 6 years or 7 to 8 years, you say. You can reach that 15, 16 lakhs or 20 lakhs. Okay, a lot of people I can give as an example. My student itself, I have in the below slide. So the salaries are very good. And some example, if I say 2 months before, Naganathan, our student, he already have 10 lakhs CTC, 10 years experience in CATIA. He thought the salary will not grow. So he did a CAD customization here. He expected if he get a customization job in 10 lakhs itself, then after 1-2 year experience, he can get more salary. So after completing the course, while attending the interview, because the interview went well, he suddenly asked, I need 30% hike. I'm already getting 10, I need 12, 13. And the client, they offered 50% hike. See, the person's real expectation is only 10 lakhs, 0% hike. But he demanded, okay, why not we ask? So he asked 30% hike. But the client is telling that, no, I'll give you 50%. Client is giving 50% because some reason. What is the reason is because he is having 3 months notice period. Suppose if he offers 12 lakhs or 13 lakhs now, definitely in these 3 months, he will get a call from other companies. Almost every CAD companies are looking for. And when somebody calls, what this guy will tell, he will tell, yes, my last round salary is 10 lakhs. But I already have offer for 13 lakhs. And what the other client will do, definitely they'll tell that, okay, suppose if I offer you 14, will you join? Or if I offer you 15, will you join? And naturally, if you are in that position, or if I am in that position, if company A already giving me 13, but another person is giving 15, and no maximum chance you will quit and will go there to 15 lakhs. That is the reason this client, they know about it, because they faced such problem in the past. So they are telling that here salary is not your problem. How much you are asking, I am paying you more than that. But you please join after 3 months. Otherwise, what will happen? This company, their client, the project, all will be waiting for him. They will have some plan, they will have some target. 3rd month, he will tell in the last week, I'm sorry, I'm not joining. Why not joining? Because I got, 15 lakhs CTC. So if already he is giving 16 lakhs CTC. So now, if some other company calls also, he will tell, I already got 50%, 60% hike. So very less chance he will leave this and go. That is the reason they are paying. And there are other companies, my student, same situation, 7 lakhs, 8 lakhs he was getting. And Tata Technology offered him some 12 point something. And another company offered him 14. And he told Tata Technology, I'm not joining in the 3rd month. Then Tata Technology offered him again 14.5 and they took him. So from 7.5 to directly 14.5, 100% hike. Because people are fighting for. And most interesting part of that offer is that guy, he was my student. He completed CAD customization 7 years before. Okay, in 13, 14 around he did that. And for last 6, 7 years, he never worked on CATIA customization. First 1, 2 years he worked on AutoCAD customization. And the last 4, 5 years he is working on Creo toolkit customization. But all are CAD customization only. In CATIA customization, he never worked. And in resume also, he not mentioned, I have CATIA customization experience. But Tata Technology is hiring for CATIA customization. Just imagine, Tata Technology is not a startup company. They have a lot of HR. They can almost hire from anybody from anywhere. They are paying 100% hike to somebody who don't have experience in that technology. But something relevant, of course. They are considering it because what could be the reason? Only one reason, there are not enough people in the market. They are not finding it easily. If it is CAD modeling, just imagine. It's a CAD modeling. You have 5 years, 6 years experience. You are getting 6 lakhs CTC. Somebody is offering you job. Maximum you will ask only 8 lakhs, not more than that. Or 9 lakhs maybe you can ask. And another person will not offer. If you go, they will find another 100 people within a month. There is a difference between this demand for CAD customization. These are all real fact. Okay. So that is, I'm saying that you get very high salary and also the very good demand. That's why you are getting very high salary. And another reason why they are generally paying more salary, I'm going to explain later. And is it easy to learn? I mentioned easy to learn. Yes, I would put it like, it's easy to learn if you are, normally above average learner, if you already good in learning anything, some people, they like to learn something new. It may be from YouTube or it may be from something what is new in your own domain or something, you learn something. Somebody who's looking for, who like to learn, for those people, it is definitely easy because we have a curriculum step by step, what to learn first, second, third, really the proven track record, the way how you should learn this. We can make you successful. But there are some people, they're not that much good in learning. They don't want to learn. But because his friend learned, he got 100% hike. Okay. Some people also will try to join. He will not have his own interest or he will not have his own that fire to learn. Because his friend got a job, he got a very good success. He also want to do. For those people, it's 50-50. We can't say maybe you will learn good, or suppose if you are not good practicing, you are not liking it, you may not be successful. But in our case, most cases, working people are coming and a lot of freshers we trained, we made them successful. I would say at least 90% or 95% of them are very, very successful. Few people I don't know whether they are there or not there, they are not in touch. But at present also, we are looking for a candidate. I am telling you openly, any of your friend or relative done this course somewhere else or they learned themselves, they know NX customization, okay, or even AutoCAD customization very well. They no need to have experience, at least 6 months of general practice experience also. You refer me, I can arrange their interview tomorrow. Okay, at least they can expect 4 to 6 lakh CTC if they are fresher. But if they already have experience, then according to their experience, they can get more. I myself also, I can take it. Okay. So, but I'm not finding, but if at all anybody, no need to be my student, but still I can take them. Okay. So what are all the courses we have? CATIA customization, NX customization, Creo customization, AutoCAD customization, Revit customization, SolidWorks customization. Apart from this, I have to add Teamcenter customization, Windchill. Okay. In case if somebody, the only problem with the Teamcenter and all, you will not get license to practice 24/7. In this case, you will have it in your system or somehow you can manage it. We can help you. You can learn anytime, you can practice anytime. But in case of PLM, if you have the access to Teamcenter, then it is good to learn that. You will get very, very good salary. We have really good people to train you. And during the training period, we can arrange you 1 to 2 hour practice with some licensed system. But after that, you won't get the system for practice. That is only for PLM. For CAD customization, that's not a problem. You will be able to practice anytime in your own machine. Okay. These are all something, this is a very old list actually, to be frank. But in the last 1 to 2 months itself, another 10 people that I'm yet to update. Hopefully I will update before this December or January. So I want to make it all small icons. So Altron working, he got 3 offers after completing the course. 3 offers before joining his first job. 3 offers, 6 lakh CTC from iCube Logics. 6.5 from this Altron. Actually, I not updated this. I have to update. Okay. Then 8 lakh CTC from Accenture. So he joined Accenture. This Altron was his second job actually. Second offer. First job, but second offer with 6.5. He didn't join there. He joined Accenture with 8 lakh CTC. He had 1 to 2 years design or modeling experience somewhere. He left that job. He did this, he practiced, and he got. And a lot of people, Capgemini, Forasia, Tata Technologies, Autodesk, ITC Infotech, L&T, iCube Logics is actually working for ISRO. Through this company payroll working for ISRO, I actually mentioned ISRO here, but he called me because ISRO told him to remove that from here. Because as per their security and policy, we're not supposed to tell who's working for their project. Okay. But anyway, that is the reason I removed that from here. Maybe if at all somewhere else I mentioned, you can let me know that that also I have to remove. Okay. So these are all only just a sample, but another some 20-30 people easily I can find. But another 50 people at least, they are already learned and using in their own job. Okay, they have 5 years experience, current company, they'll use it. So those and all are not included here. These people, absolutely freshers who came to me, who did this course without any programming knowledge before, without any CAD, without knowing anything in CAD customization. None of these people came to me, at least you 3 people in this meeting. You already know something CAD customization and you come for inquiry. But these people, they came to me for different purpose. These are a little old list actually. This guy done in 13, 14. And this guy did it 1-2 years before, 2 years before. He's some maybe 1 year before. He's also 1 year before, like that. Okay. And they came to me for some other learning some 3D drawings or learning some modeling. And if you note this guy, ISRO guy, his uncle was also my student 15 years before. More than 15 years before, 16, 17 years before, his uncle did 3D modeling course in Mumbai from me. Okay, he got a very good success in 3D design. He is working in London. He worked in Sweden for many years. Right now he is in London. So because after 15, 16 years, he called from there and he want this person to do some course. Then I suggested CAD customization. Till that moment, neither this guy or nor his uncle had any idea about CAD customization, even though he is working in the CAD. So all these people they don't have any idea. They came, they learned, they are very successful now. Okay. Then this is myself. This is my video. If you look at the date, you can find the computer date when during the presentation. This I made it in 2018, 4 years before. And in that video, I'm explaining about Revit 2015 that I did it in 2015 for my client. Why I'm telling is that at least this video tells 4 years before I made this video about CAD customization, that is important. Why is it and all. And before that also I had good experience, but at least this video tells I'm in this for last 4-5 years minimum. So that you can go through sometimes. And this video, if you pay and join, what are you going to learn in the first day? That is already explained here. Okay, that is kept open. So this is how exactly your real class will look like. Whether you will be able to understand the programming concept or not, because many people feel I'm a mechanical engineer, whether I can pick up or not. So this will give you some idea. Of course, first day you cannot decide how much you will be successful, but at least how we teach, how the training will look like. Okay, you will come to know from this video. You can go through that. This is some kind of projects, what you can do after that. This is automatically exporting the NX parts as the IGS or step. You can play and watch. Maybe, okay, I'll play this for a moment because it is only 1 minute video. So like that, you can create a user interface if you see that form. So you can have a tab, you can have a button, you can put some picture. If you click a button based on that pressure angle, whatever you input, it will create all the parts. And it will also create assembly. See, create assembly. It is assembling all the component. It's creating the detailed drawings. And if you want to modify something, the pressure value I'm changing now. Okay, factor of safety I'm changing now. Just by changing the pressure or factor of safety or some material. So how the model will change? Just click calculate, then it will redesign everything on its own. Okay, for different pressure, for different, so something like that you can do. So that is this video tells about. And this video tells this nxopen.com, that is also my website only. Later I created fiso.com is little old. So you have to tell where you have your NX parts. See this folder, NX open demo, below your assembly. So here I have some 10 parts, 10, 12 parts. So you give the path. If you look at here, so in this text box, you type the location of NX parts. Then tell what you want to export. You want to export all these PRT file as a IGS or STEP or DWG or what. Choose that and click export. Okay. So it opens one by one automatically, and you can see left side the number of files growing dynamically. See IGS, 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 IGS file. So it created already 6-7 IGS file. That's all. So done all. So that is just some example. Okay, I can show 1 or 2 live also right now, which is not there. See, US lost over 60 million jobs. Now robots and tech ad and artificial intelligence will take millions more. This 60 million is already done, lost. It's not going to happen, it happened already. And I'm not saying only because of CAD customization, but everything is becoming automatic. You no need to design anything. Okay, design engineers are not required, to be frank. You no need to draw any sketch. You no need to draw extrude, revolve. You no need to do mirror. Okay, you no need to create front view, side view. That and all will happen automatically. That all software engineers can do once they can do, and 100 people, 1,000 people can do it. So that is the reason people are losing the job. 60 millions are lost. Okay, 6 crore people jobs. So this is which magazine talking about? Forbes.com. You can go through. So it is not some local somebody they can write anything. Okay, you can read about that. Okay, now I'll go to, okay, if you go to, suppose if you want to do NX or you want to do CATIA, you can go to that particular page. You just in feaswork.com, click this button, so it goes to, so here you can download yourself, the syllabus. So what we teach here, almost the same reason, goods, salary, demand, and this is what we are going to teach you. The programming language. Okay, 2 months I mentioned, this is normally for people who want to do alternate days, 1 day theory, 1 day lab, like that. So first 2 months we teach you only programming language, the programming concept, basic, intermediate, advanced. That concept, basic programming, object-oriented programming, console applications, farm applications, DLL creations, all. This is just an overview. You can download this PDF. There you will find a detailed syllabus. So C#, we will cover this much. And in NX Open, after 2 months, you will learn in NX customization. These are all the points we will learn. And in detail, if you go, so you learn about, these points, vector, points 3D, curves. How do you automatically create lines, circles? How to create your own features, associative curves, studio splines. How do you create sketch, extrude, put a hole? How do you edge blend? Some basic feature creations. Then units and expressions. How do you know how many units are, how many expressions are already there in the part? Programmatically, I want to open all the parts and modify certain formula. Can you do manually? Yes, of course, you can open all the part, open all assembly, open all the part, go to expression table, look at the table, you can modify the formula. But I have 100 parts. I want to modify this formula in all 100 parts. So you can write a code that will open all 100 parts, 1000 parts, 1 lakh parts, no problem. It can modify the formula. Probably within 1 hour, it can finish some 10,000 drawings or 1000 drawings, depends on your computer speed. So how do you handle the units? How do you handle expressions? How you create your own expressions and use it so that user can modify later on? Or if expressions are already created, how programmatically you can modify or rename, or you can add more expressions, etc. And in assemblies, how do you know how many parts are loaded or not loaded? I have a assembly. Suppose this is one assembly. Okay, I actually added 500 parts, just for example, I'm saying. And when you open assembly and it loaded a lot of parts, but let us say if 10 parts are deleted somewhere, I assembled from different path, 10 parts are deleted. And how do I know all 500 are loaded or anything is missing? And I'm going to submit this assembly. I want to ensure before that all parts are there, nothing is missing. So I can click a tool and it will tell you. I'm not written, but you can write it. Okay, which part is loaded or not loaded? What is the reason it is not loaded? It's not available, or what? You are not able to access. The part is there, but you don't have access to open it. Something, you will come to know. Okay. And but what is there here now? For example, actually it's opposite. This is supposed to be a front body. In one click, see hide front body. So this is for 9 p.m. batch. Right now I'm teaching. This is yesterday session. So if I click, so it's hiding all components in the front body of your vehicle. No, I want everything back. This one, leave it. So it will bring back. Okay, that two message box, we should avoid it, but it's just kept it. So hide, gone. Unhide, it will come back. Here I'm hiding based on the position. So you will programmatically, you can read how many parts are there, what is the coordinates, what is the orientation. Now left side wheel, right side wheel. So programmatically you can read how it is, what is there in the part. You can also read the mass properties of all. So instead of front body, rear body, I can hide all small components, nut, bolt, washer kind of things. But how do you define small component? If the volume is less than this much, you hide that components. I don't want to see. Okay, or if the mass is this much, or if the mass is greater than this much, you highlight that particular body. So you can highlight, unhighlight. Okay, highlight sheet body. Suppose I'll take this part, but here I have only sheet. If I say, if it is a sheet, it will highlight. It's supposed to. I'm doing first time for this part. Okay. Was it sheet? Yeah. Actually, this is not working. But you can write. I can write and show. If it is sheet body, you highlight it. Might have done, but we might have changed later on. But other thing is, see, Valio, we are giving corporate training. Employees of Valio, through their company management, I am giving training right now. Only few are completed. Say I have one table design. Just I will show now. I'll take a new part. I hope it works. Oh, sorry, I opened assembly file. So like this, see, you can notice that fees worth table design. Okay, I'm in a meeting and please call me after 12. fees worth table design. So this is our dialog box. You can create your own design and you can make it in a group, one group dimension, then another group for material, etc. You can group wise you can create. You can say take some integer value only or decimal values. Okay, for example, I need a table. So what is the table length you want? I need table length 1200 mm, 4 feet. Table width, I need 1.5 feet. So 450 mm. Table height 750 mm or maybe say 700 mm. Normal table height is 750. So I'll make it 750. Table top thickness, how much you want? I need 20 mm thick. Leg diameter, how much you want? I need 50. And offset from the edge, the leg, how much it should be offset from the edge? Maybe I'll put some 60. Where do you want the table? So I'm going to click here. I think it's created. It's a zoom. Okay. And unfortunately, this is not creating the table at the point I picked. It's creating at 0, 0. But I can modify that code. Don't worry, because I might have linked to old DLL, not updated. Now let's create once again another table. I'll make it this time small table. Let's say 500 by 300, just 450 height. All other things are same. This is anyway not working, but still I'll pick one point. Okay, it's working fine, sorry. Wherever you pick, there only, yeah. Same value, I need one more here. No, I need small table. Let's say square table, 300 by 300. Height also 300, all 300. Okay, small thickness or more thick, 25 mm thick. Diameter I need very big, 100 mm. Offset 150. 150 will be too much. I need here. I think it is intersecting, I'm sorry. So I'll make diameter little less, 15. So whatever you give, it will create. Only thing is you have to give correct input. All right, so this is what exactly happening. So what is happening here? It's creating a sketch. It's creating dimensions and it is applying, and it's even expressions also you can go and see. I'm not sure in this I have included or not, but normally you can do that. See, it created the system expressions. Okay. 450, 400. If you want to change, you can change for any of the table. All right. Okay. Because I think 2 people in this group are also interested in AutoCAD, so I'll try to show something in AutoCAD. So I'll go to program. This is one of the AutoCAD program. I just build it. Okay, something is built, but something is not. Okay, I'll open another project. Wait.
சோறு வைக்கிறதா மாவுக்கு ஊற்றிக்கலாமா?
So this is right now I'm teaching somebody. Actually, the student is learning from Belgium. Okay, I'll show what is completed till now. I can. So just day one, but all 6-7 days completed, but all are. So starting from hello. Okay, can I know somebody's name here? Wait. I see Apu, Gangadharan, and Nilesh. So I'll take Apu A. Gangadhar and Nilesh. So AGN is my own command. Okay, I hope there is no AutoCAD command AGN, so better I'll add my AGN. Then adding some numbers. Okay, how to create line, my line. You see there are a lot of commands we created. My line, my arrow, my staircase, my selected objects, my layers demo, my blocks demo, my attributes demo. I don't know. Okay, my attributes edit demo, dynamic blocks demo. So something till now I taught, but I'm going to show. Definitely my AGN won't be there in AutoCAD, right? So I'm going to build this solution. So I got a DLL day one. So I'm going to run this in AutoCAD. So now all my commands, my staircase, my line, my attributes demo, everything is loaded. So for example, I'm going to put my AGN. So what this command will do? This command will say that, welcome to AutoCAD customization. So you can create your own command and that will do something. Now this message, welcome to AutoCAD customization. Now I'll put my arrow. See my arrow, it was not there before. Okay, once you load, then only it will come. I'm running that. It is asking arrow length. What is the length of the arrow? Let's say 100. And width of the arrow, maybe 50. Zoom extend. Okay, sorry. It's creating only length by width line, not the arrow. Maybe I have to see what is that program doing there. Then let's see what the program is doing. Yeah, it's simply creating a line from start point to end point. Okay, so the just name it says arrow, leave it. So I hope this staircase, this will create some circle that I don't want. And yeah, it's creating some vertex. Let's see. I'll modify this also in record. My staircase. So it's creating staircase. But along with this, let's say I want, okay, let's see now how much it is creating. How many steps? 10 steps. I want to make it more. So instead of 20, I think it's making 20 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But including this, it is 20. So if you make it 40, then it will make 20 steps. I'm going to modify this 40. And along with this, I also want to add circle. Actually, there is a circle we are creating, but we not added. So I'm going to add that circle also. Perfect. The only thing is I have to reopen AutoCAD. So meantime, I have something else I'll try to show you. See, if you go to command my, I'm typing command my. So my document something, only that is the command there in AutoCAD. There is no other command starting with my. So I'm going to load the DLL I created. So now I have a lot of commands. Dynamic blocks demo, attribute edit demo, select objects demo, layers demo, my blocks demo, staircase. So I'm going to create staircase now. You can see there are 40, but in between, yes, we made the 40, but one point from here, earlier it used to go to this point and join here. Now I'm going to fix this. In case of 40, I have to do differently. And also it created some circles and all. So I don't want circle, but this problem I'm going to fix it. So let us say, I hope I can fix it quickly. It's 40. Yeah, I think it will. Okay, so that I think I fixed it because it has to add one more vertex in the end, that is at 41. And the circles you want, maybe circles I can avoid, no need to add that circles. But it will create 40 steps. And you want to do anything in between, say when the step number is 20. Okay, I'll put some, at the step number is 20. I want a little long step. Okay, anyway, it will take, you can play with it actually normally. So let's say I'll put one condition here. If so I equal to 20 means when vertex is 20, what you do, vertex you add at P3 x P2 is x. Okay, I'll put here. So when it is 20, you add 'little extra. Okay, I need how much extra you want. The step, middle step, I want, more bigger. So how much you want? Tell me some number. So how much we are doing in every step? Ten is the width. So I need double. Okay. So I need little more or maybe very long. Not 10, 10 means or 30 you make it. Okay. 10 plus 30, 40. So build. Okay, let that come. Let AutoCAD open. Meantime, yeah, sure. Yeah, please tell me quick. Correct ஆ இருக்கா? அப்படியா? சரி, okay, I'll call you Arshad after 5-10 minutes. But if you can do any improvement there, it is fine. Okay. Okay, okay. Okay, I'll call you after 10 minutes. We'll discuss. Fine. Okay. I hope we built this right. Circle gone, 40 is fine, but in between I expected long, but somehow didn't work. P1, P2, P3. Okay, I think we have to give. Okay, wait. P1. So P1, P2, P3 means P3x I have to change, right? If I change P2x, then it must be inclined line at least. When I is 20, it won't come. 3. Okay, I with 3 and plus 2. 3, 5, 7, 9 like that. So if it is, I will never be 20. That was the reason. So it should be, wait, 3. I think it must be 19. 3. Yeah. So this is what exactly you have to work, when you have to face some problem, you try to do something, it won't come, but then you should know what to modify. So what is happening here, if you know the basics, you can build your logic, why that is not coming. When you put 20, neither length is changed nor width is changed, because see from 3, you are adding 2, 2. So I will be 3, next time it will be 5, next time it will be 7, 9, so odd numbers only. I will never become 20, so that will never execute that value. And suppose if you would have put 19, at least the height of the step would have been more. But okay, now it should come. That is what I'm expecting. Let's see. Okay. X is everything is changing. Okay, this point is changed. Then if it is when I is 19, then only else. This 30 we added, we not removed, you see. All right. So we will also change the color and layer. So one is red, 2 is yellow. Maybe I'll keep it 2. So if you want to create that steps in yellow, so this is how, so easy, right? All right. This is in yellow, and only in the mid, I have one steps that is very long.
Nora.
So this is exactly what is going to be your job day to day. Suppose if your company is asking that, in AutoCAD, there is no command for creating staircase. And your role is, almost every day you create some staircase. So there are commands which you can create easily, like this length, width, you can type, copy, array, something you can do. But according to your convenience, according to your requirement, you can't create, okay? But you can write a program that will do this. But this also, I don't want simple step. I want step with a nosing. Okay, I want double lines. I want some thickness. I want with hatch in particular layer. So many things. Whatever you want, you can add into program. Just write only one program once. Let us say your company is there in 100 countries. In every country, some 20 people are using AutoCAD. So 2000 people are using AutoCAD in your company. All are creating staircase like this manually. You spend 1 day time to write this staircase, and everybody can save at least some half an hour time every day. Whenever they want to create the staircase, click a button and pick, it will come everything as per the standard without any mistakes. Accurate, customized in your layer, in your color, whatever additional features you want to add, you can add. Okay, now let me try to show one more. Actually, I'm not prepared, otherwise I would have shown little faster. Let's say I'll take just for example this money somewhere. C colon temp. Okay, I'll just open one block or one file. So you can notice here there is something called G. That is the issue. Issue number is G. Like that in every file there will be some number, but that I'm going to change now programmatically. I'll just close this. Okay, there is my tool. Oh no, it won't work. Okay, I'll make it. Okay, I'll show maybe next time, guys. Actually, what you can do is without opening AutoCAD, without opening AutoCAD. Okay, I'll tell you what it will do, because actually I used in the office system, so the folder path and settings are quite different. I have to arrange, otherwise maybe next time I'll do that. Go to source. Okay, guys, leave it. I'll tell you that. Maybe I can record and send you later. So what you can do is actually you can write a program. Just if you click a exe file in the desktop, without opening AutoCAD, it will finish all this work. Let us say C:. If you give this path, now it will open all the AutoCAD files somewhere in the background, and it will open the particular block. It will open the attribute and it will modify the attribute values, whatever you want. Okay, something like that. It will work. Actually, I have to connect my Office system and show, but maybe sometimes later I'll prepare and I can show that. Okay. And also already it's 12 o'clock. It's more than 12 o'clock. So I hope you got some idea what is CAD customization, what will be your day-to-day work. And if you have any questions, you can ask me.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, thank you for your presentation about this one, sir. And what is the
Okay.
current scenario about the CAD customization?
Okay.
So I have a few queries, sir.
Yeah.
One is that I don't have any language idea about this language stuff like
Yes.
VB.NET, Visual Studio,
No.
this and all.
No problem. That is perfectly all right. Because we will teach you
Okay,
step
sir.
by step. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. So we will teach you step by step. And I told you all these people, you know, they all came without anything, without any idea about what is programming. And they
Okay,
all
sir.
successful now. A lot of them are already taking interviews. Yes.
Okay.
So that is not a
Then-
problem.
Okay, sir. No problem, sir.
Sai, I'm in meeting. I'll call you later, please. Thank you. Yeah. So that is not a problem,
Sir.
brother. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. No problem, sir. Sir, second thing is sir, do you cover the inventor customization also, no, sir?
That is separate course, either AutoCAD customization or Inventor customization or NX customization. Any one we will teach you.
Okay.
And one more thing I
Okay,
want to
sir.
say, see the C#.NET, what you learn in the first month. That is common for all AutoCAD, any CAD tools. Okay, any CAD tools. Yes, AutoCAD, NX, SolidWorks, Inventor. Okay, even CATIA and Creo, all you can use for all. But
Okay.
particularly for CATIA and Creo, we also teach something C++.
C++.
Because with C++, you can do something more. Only for CATIA and Creo. So if you go for CATIA and Creo customization, we recommend to learn C++, then CATIA CAA. It's a specially licensed tool. You can do much more there. So C++ and CATIA CAA we recommend. And for Creo also the same thing. Creo toolkit with C++. So if you choose CATIA or Creo, we teach you C++, then CATIA customization or Creo customization. If you choose anything else, we teach you C#.NET. C#.NET, VB.NET, all 95% same.
Okay.
So if you know VB.NET, you can say you know C#.NET also. If you know C#.NET, you can say you know VB.NET also. It's a 95% same, and we will tell you the difference between that, so that you can read and understand both the programming language.
Okay, fine, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, and sir, do you provide any course material, sir, after this course, like a book,
Yes,
CD?
we provide. Actually, AutoCAD is having a lot of things. For example, let's see, this is syllabus. If you go for .NET, so AutoCAD is having a lot of programs already. Okay. Suppose if you want to know how to draw a circle line, the programs are already there. Let's say basics of AutoCAD.NET API, control, create, edit, create objects. I'll go to create line. So if you want to create line, your programs are already there.
Okay.
The only thing is, yes, yeah. If you copy paste this, it will create the line from one point to another point. But how to modify this?
If you want to in my own.
According to your
want to
requirement,
modify.
how do you customize it? So documentations are already there in online.
Default it is
Everything-
available.
yeah. Yes, after our training, you will be able to read, understand this better. You will be able to solve the problem. See, now we face some problem. We want to modify 20 steps to
Yes,
40
sir.
steps, and in between.
Yeah,
we
I saw it.
step. So where you take, that is where your skills are required.
Okay.
Programs are there
Sir,
already. And if you go to NX, I'll tell you one more point. This will create, say for example, I want to fill at this edge. Manually, how do you fill it? So you can go and you can fill it.
Take the fillet.
Okay.
With the
But
give the
in
dimensions.
program, how do I fill it? If you want to know, you can record the journal. Okay, you can do journal recording. And there you will find that code written for that. VB or C#.NET you can choose. And I'll record in VB for now. So first time whenever you record, it will take time, but afterwards it will be all fast. Okay, some fillet. Now if you go there, you got the program to record that fillet. Okay, but from this, I want to modify this program so that in one click, it will fillet all the edges.
Okay,
How are you going to do that? That is where you need to learn. Now for this model, you may record filleting all the edges also, it will record. But for next model, it won't work. But from this, you have to learn how to fill it. Then you have to write your own program that will record. Any model you give, it will fillet all the edges to whatever radius you want. Like that, I want to modify. You can modify. If you give me another 5-10 minutes, I can do that program. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So the programs are there already. The program system is generating or already there in the document online, but you have to read, modify, and update according to your requirement.
Yes, correct.
Yes, that is all.
Sir, actually, sir, at last, sir, sir, you told that your office in Bangalore, right, sir?
Right.
Can I know where it is, sir? So it will be easier.
It's at Kudlu Gate. Yeah. It's at Kudlu Gate inside Dayananda Sagar University. There is one incubation center. There it is. If you come to Kudlu Gate and welcome, but this is online training, keep in mind. So that is where people do some project. But this training is online because we really have people from other countries, say for example, this guy, Marcos.
So no offline training available, sir? Only online.
No, at present, no.
No. Okay, fine.
See, he's learning from Belgium.
Okay.
And he already done SolidWorks customization here when last year, December. Okay. And he was happy with the training. So he joined now this year, December, he is doing AutoCAD customization. You can also see the fees he paid and other stuff. See, he did bank transfer from there. Only excluding the language. Okay. $600 plus transaction things and all he paid. So 45,000, this is excluding the language because language he did last year itself. And I'll show this chart. This WhatsApp is loading a bit slow. So if he was not happy with our training, definitely he would have not come back. Okay, so he done and he received certificate also. Okay, when in the last month, I think it is June 5 or May 6 somewhere, he received certificate. He did course in December somewhere, December or January, I don't remember exactly, around that time. But after that, after 6 months, 1 year, he doing second course. And he is also going to tie up, and we are going to do some projects together for his client. You can see his message. You see here.
No.
I am fully dedicated on my CAD customization projects while working on my actual job. He is also working somewhere for some company, and he is learning this CAD customization. Now, after seeing this, he's telling that he's already created one company, and he's polishing about his site and other stuff. He will be getting new client. He'll say, I'd like to do business with you, as we have discussed, and I'm planning to partnership with you if I get enough clients, which is my goal. So he want to get clients in Europe, and he's going to give to me the work.
Okay.
Right?
Nice.
That is, yeah. Like that, there are other people also. I can show somebody, if you see Nagnathan. He is a friend of Nagnathan friend, Arun. Arun is friend of Nagnathan. So this guy originally learned CATIA customization, CATIA CAA. He was the one I referred in the beginning, 10 lakhs. He demanded 13 lakhs, but they are offering 16 lakhs. Okay, he's the guy. If you read this complete chart, you will understand how people are getting success. You can see the exactly when he inquired, how much paid, when he got a job in CAD customization. Okay, just in that 4 months, 5 months time.
Okay, okay. So, okay, sir. Understood, sir. All these
Right?
scenarios and all.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah,
Fine.
yeah. So,
And he introduced Arun. Arun also got a job. He introduced this guy. Actually, his name I forgot, but he is doing Team Center customization now. Yep. Okay, guys. Yes, please.
Sir, I have seen one tool named DriveWorks.
DriveWorks. Okay. I don't know.
Can you explain about this thing?
No, I don't know that.
No. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. And in this course, whatever you do in the first 50%, that is common for anything. The tool may come tomorrow, or we may not know now. They have the API. Most likely, they will support .NET. And if they are supporting .NET, then you can customize that using this same concept. In addition, hey, can you mute yourself, please?
sir, one thing, sir. At last. So that fees can pay EMI option available or how
Yes,
to pay
you can
in
pay
bulk,
in
sir?
EMI. You can pay in EMI. We have a course that you can complete in 2 months, or you can pay in 2 installments. Sometimes we have course that will go for 4 months, alternate days. You can pay it in 4 installments. So EMI is not a problem.
Not a problem.
I mean the equal installment, 2 months or 4 months only. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Fine.
Yeah.
Hello, sir. What is the period of that course? Is like hour-wise?
Hour-wise, we not split it, but you can find it, approximately what. See, for example, if you go for NX or CATIA, anything you go, that PDF, already downloaded. You see here you have the full syllabus of, this is what you learn in the first 1 month or 2 months, the first 50%. If you go daily classes, first 1 month. If you go alternate days, first 2 months. This is what you learn. But whether first ever I teach this, maybe first ever I teach all 3, maybe this one thing I may teach one day. That is, we will adjust according to your speed and pickup. But definitely this will be completed in the first 1 month. If you go for daily class, Monday to Friday, or if you go alternate days, it will be completed in 2 months. And the second month, what you learn? So second month you learn NX customization. So this all will be completed in second month. Maybe this is 1 day, this is 1 day, and this one maybe will take 2 days, block UI styler. This will take 2 days, this will take 2 days, 2-3 days assemblies, and this will take 2-3 days. So like that, okay? So we're not told exactly in the first 60 minutes this, that, but this is overall we teach in that approximately 25 or 24 hours.
Okay, okay. And it is on weekends also, or
Yes, we sometimes have weekend batch. Weekend batch we completed now. We started evening batch this month. January we are starting morning as well as evening. So according to the students, we adjust either early morning, say 7 to 8 or 8 to 9 or 9 to 10 like that max. And if it's a corporate training, 9 to 10 normally. See, right now I'm teaching value at 9 to 10 in the morning. And evening I'm teaching somebody that is 9 to 10 p.m. And sometimes that is I'm saying no, either 8 to 9 morning or 8 to 9 p.m. or 9 to 10 morning, 9 to 10 p.m. Before 9
it is
o'clock or
on
after
weekends?
weekdays. If it is a
Weekdays.
weekend, we can do it maybe 10 to 12, 11 to 1 like that. Whichever the time convenient for all the students in the batch.
Okay, means it is on weekends also, right?
No, either weekdays or weekend. Weekend separate batch. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, yeah, got it. And is that any job guarantee?
This course, which normally we are charging 50,000, that is not giving job guarantee. But we have 1 lakh rupees course. There we are giving job guarantee. That we will ask you to come full time and we will ask you to join immediately after your few rounds of interview and other stuff. We will offer you some job where you can work along with the people for first 6 months. At least from 7th month, we will give you job for sure.
Okay, okay,
Yes.
got it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Some 2-3 questions are there from my side.
Yeah.
Yeah. Can I?
Yes, yes, please.
Yeah, yeah. Actually, there is anything license required for customization, CATIA customization?
Yes, you needed license for everything, like how licenses are required for NX or CATIA. Like that, you need license. There are some programs that you can write even without license. See, for example, NX customization, your 90% of program will work if you have just NX. You don't need any NX open license. But there are few programs that won't work. We will tell you if you have license, how to do it. If you don't have license, how to run it, what will work, what will not work. So that and all we will help you. And for CATIA with .NET customization, it is free. But C++ and CAA, that is very expensive. So you need license to practice.
Okay.
Yes.
Because personally, we can't get the license as
Yeah, you can get it. There are people they'll install and give you. Yeah.
Can I get your number?
Yes, you can. So 888-412-5353.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Anyone else have any other questions?
No, sir.
Okay, fine, guys. So I'll end this meeting and hope you enjoyed and you can join. And next batch we start January 1st week, approximately 2nd, 3rd or like that. And if at all you want to join, you please join that time. You can reply to the email you received, or you can also call this number, or Manuram, he already shared your email and all. So you can, anybody you can call. And if at all you missed anything, remember you can go to feeswork.com and you can find it.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, guys.
Yeah,
Okay.
thank you, sir.
Bye. 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 Thank you.
Thank you,
Yeah,
sir.
thank you, sir. Bye.